Hey, y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called What is the First Step in Planning a Whole Home Remodel? Picture this. You've decided to transform your humble abode into a bona fide dream palace. But hold on to your hammers because planning a whole home remodel isn't a sprint. It's more like an Olympic marathon. So, what's the first step to get the ball rolling? Dive in with a strategy session, folks. Setting clear, achievable goals for your remodel is where the magic begins. This isn't just a wish list scrawled on the back of a napkin. We're talking a detailed manifesto that captures your vision and needs down to the last curtain rod. First, assess your home like you're inspecting the fine print on one of those too good to be true freebies. Identify what works, what doesn't, and what you dream about after a tour through Home Depot. This is the stage where your wildest Pinterest fantasies and practical realities meet, and sometimes clash like mismatched socks. Next, budget is your trusty roadmap. Get real about your finances and set a budget that suits not just your wish list, but also your bottom line, because nothing bursts bubbles quicker than unexpected expenses. You'll want a budget that's tighter than a drum for the basics, with a little wiggle room for those inevitable, whoa, didn't see that coming moments. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Now, I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Finding the right contractor is like selecting the perfect partner. You're in this for the long haul, so choose wisely. A seasoned contractor who listens and understands your vision can steer this ship with less chaos and more clarity. Planning timelines is next. Get a calendar and mark key milestones like you're plotting a blockbuster movie sequence. Though we know all good things take time, having a clear timeline helps manage expectations and keeps construction hiccups to a minimum. Finally, consider the long-term lifestyle impact. As you plan, think about how each change will affect your day-to-day life, both now and in the years to come. Functional design goes a long way toward ensuring your home fits like the favorite pair of jeans you plan to wear into retirement. There you have it. The first essential steps in orchestrating your whole home remodel. It's about planning, precision, and plenty of patience to ensure the transformation is a harmony of dreams fulfilled. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.